all, I'm Fasna Singh and I'm back with another video on job and internship opportunities. The video is very useful, so make sure to watch this video till end. Starting with the first opportunity is from Meta itself, that is Facebook. The Facebook is hiring for the solutions engineer intern and the location is Singapore. If you want to apply, you can click on this apply now button. If you want to read about the job opportunity and the roles and responsibility, then you can read it about it here. The link will be given into the description box. Coming on to the qualification that we need to know is you should be currently having or in the process of obtaining BS or MS in computer science, computer engineering, or any equivalent program. You should be having experience communicating technical concepts to non-technical audience, knowledge and experience with at least one programming language from Python, PHP, C, C++, Ruby, C#, or Java. Also, you must obtain work authorization in country of employment at the time of hire and maintain ongoing work authorization during employment. So these are the minimum qualification that you need to have. Coming on to the preferred qualification, the preferred qualification is experience contributing to open source projects, shared code repositories, and personal projects. You should be having experience with contributing to development community like blogs, Stack Overflow, Quora, Slack, etc. And lastly, you should be having intent to return to degree program after the completion of the internship. So these are the some preferred qualification, and I hope this is all you need to know. And now you can apply for this job by clicking on this apply now button or the apply to job button. If you want a link for this, then you can click on our description box and there you will be finding the link. So I hope this is all clear to you. Now I'll be moving on to the next opportunity. Coming on to the next opportunity is from Directi. Directi is hiring for the DevOps engineer intern graduate 2022. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka, and the position they are hiring for is a DevOps engineer intern role. So now coming on to the opportunity, you can read about the roles and description. We'll be discussing about the minimum qualifications or the required things. So the required things are your tech fundamentals. Inside tech fundamentals, you need to having the understanding of OS fundamentals, from OS concepts to kernel interrupts, native libraries, process scheduling concepts, etc. In networking, you should be having basic knowledge of DNS, TCP, UDP, protocol level understanding, deep understanding of OSI stack, basic understanding of routing concepts. Then they also want you to have knowledge in the security, network layer security and security architectures, databases. In databases, mainly RDBMS knowledge, query optimization, RDBMS tuning, replication and clustering, and scalability. And lastly, they want system administration, system design, and programming knowledge. Now coming on to the bonus point that if you will be having this knowledge and you will be considered more than the other candidates. So if you have contributed to any open source projects, then you will be considered. If you have AWS infrastructure or if you are active tech blocker, then you will be definitely considered here. Now coming on to the other thing, that is problem solving or programming skills. This is one as the most important thing that I consider you must be having. So you should be having a good problem understanding the skills, and you should be also having good speech and time for complexity knowledge. You should be having familiarity with graph theory, graph traversals, and etc. And lastly, they also want you to have behavioral attributes, which are very important. You should be a good communicator. You should be having passionate about problem solving and troubleshooting. Now, lastly, if you see about the so now this is all about the Directi, and if you want to apply for this position, then you can click on this apply for this job button. The link will be given in the description box. Moving forward now. Talking about the next opportunity is AMD Programming Challenge. AMD is hiring for the software developer hiring challenge. So they are having software developer hiring challenge. Now talking about the other things they are having. Eligibility criteria goes like you should be having experience from 0 to 5 years. Tech stack is C, C++, Python with Linux, Windows user space level coding. Your challenge format will be having 10 MCQs, 2 programming questions based on DS and L code. So you can practice accordingly. And after that, the recruitment process there will be 2 to 3 rounds followed by 1 HR round. So the candidates who will be shortlisted from this hacker contest, they will be interviewed by AMD, and there will be 2 to 3 rounds and followed by 1 HR round. So these are all the details, and so these are all about this thing. So if you are interested in this, then you can definitely register for this contest and you can give this contest. So now moving forward to another opportunity. Next opportunity is from Thesis OffCampus for year of passing out 2019, 2020 and 2021. Registrations are open and you can apply for this. If you want to apply, then you can click on this register now button. Before that, let's see which streams are eligible. So the eligible streams are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc. The year of passing they want is 19, 20 and 21. So you can apply for this, and if you want to apply, then log on to the TCS Next Step portal from clicking on this here button. Then after that, register and apply for the TCS off-campus hiring process. If you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application form. Upon submission, kindly check on apply for driver. At the last, you need to confirm your status, check track your application. The status should reflect that applied for drive. So if these are the things, then you can you will be your application will be registered. So you can register for this application, and now let's see what will be the test pattern. So in the test pattern, you will be having numerical ability for 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, and reasoning ability for 50 minutes. In total, they will be having 120-minute test. This will be a part A. In the part B, you will be having programming in the part B, you will be having programming language for 15 minutes and coding section of 45 minutes, which total comprises of 60 minutes in total. Total time duration, total test duration will be 180 minutes. So in total, you need to work on your numerical ability, verbal and reasoning. Other than this, you should be also having programming logic and coding section skills. So these are all the things that will be into the test. So you can prepare for them accordingly. Now coming on to the test eligibility. So the test eligibility, coming on to the test eligibility requires percentage minimum aggregate of 60% or 6 CGPA in each class, 10, 12th and diploma and graduation or post-graduation you are doing. Highest qualification will be your education in stipulated course duration. Backlog, there should be no pending backlogs. Gap or break, the gap should not increase for more than 24 months in the highest qualification. So course type, that is only full-time courses will be considered, although they are considering students who have completed their secondary education from NIOS, they are considering that also. Work experience is they want students with prior 2 years of work experience are more considered here. Age is 18 to 28 year, and we have already discussed about the courses and disciplines. So I hope this is all about the things, and if you want to know more, then you can let me know in the comment section below. For now, you can apply by clicking on this register now button. Now we are moving forward. The Hitachi Inspire the next. They are hiring for the associate role. Location is Bangalore and city is 5 LPA. Course they want is B, BTech, and batch they want is 2022. Criteria is 70% throughout their career. No backlog, should not be having more than 2 years of academic break. So this is about the company. You can read about the job description as well. You can read about the profile description. We have already discussed all the things. And the location will be Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore. If you are willing to go for Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, then you can apply for this Hitachi position. And for applying, you can click on this apply now button. On to the next opportunity is from Hawkins, and during training you will be getting 8 to 10 lakhs, and on confirmation you will be getting 10 to 12 lakhs. It is a great opportunity, and you can definitely go for this company. So for this, you can apply in various positions like sales and marketing, accounts and commercials, human resource, legal. But since you're from technology, then you can go for the technical engineering or programmers roles as well. So diploma holders, engineering graduates and postgraduates, graduates who are working from the mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial tool and material science or robotics, then can apply here. Other than this, if you have a good practical knowledge of coding languages like C++, C#, SQL, Visual Basics, etc., then you can click on this apply now button. So if you're interested, then you can definitely go for this company. Great opportunity for you. The next opportunity is from Schrodinger. They are hiring software developer 2022 graduates and the location is Hyderabad. So they are looking for a candidate who have done bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or equivalent stream. They are having the students who are having excellent programming skills, logical reasoning abilities, and enthusiasm for solving interesting problems, along with willingness to learn. You should be having practical understanding of CS concepts in the areas of data structures, algorithm, database, operating system, and computer network, enthusiasm for solving interesting problems, and willingness to learn new technologies. So if you have these things, then you can definitely go for this company. For applying, you can fill this form and you can attach your resume and cover letter. So these are all the details about this, and you can submit your application by clicking on this submit application button. So this was all about this opportunity. Moving forward, the next opportunity is from SAP. They are having developer associate role and the software developer operation. If you want to apply, then you can click on this apply now button. So let's see more about this. The location will be Bangalore, and the employee type will be regular and full time. The requirements are you should be having knowledge of ABAP programming, reports, dictionary, classes, interface tables, etc. Good object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms. Knowledge of open source technologies like JS, Node.js, MongoDB, and so on. And these are the things that you need to have. Work experience can consider it from 0 to 3 years. So if you have these skills, then you can go for this and you can click on this apply now button for applying for this position. We are ending this video to here only. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then you can let us know in the comment section below. We would love to answer your queries. Also share this video with your friends so that they can also know about the opportunities going on in their surroundings. For now, thanks for watching our video. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.